Hi, this video will be of interest to a small group of men, two of which are shown here. The men behind the great racing and race cars of the 1970s and 80s and 90s and the Formula Fords and Formula V race series. My specific car is a 1985 Ralt RT5, which is originally driven by Riccardo Di Loreto. He wrecked the car, and a gentleman named Mark Bahner rebuilt it in 1985. This is what it looked like in the 1990s when it was a Formula Atlantic in the SCCA series, and this is what it looks like today. We're at Coronado in September of 2013. There's a lot of people there, and fortunately Bob Morris, my chief mechanic, knows Mark Bahner, and he asked Mark to stop by and do this very cool thing, which is sign my tub, which he rebuilt in the year of 1985. Mark, and the rest of the video is really about Mark and Bob visiting with each other and telling old stories, so I hope you enjoy it.
This is Wilbur. How are you, buddy? I'm driving one of your tubs. Hope it stays together. You're doing great with Bob taking care of it. They're nice little cars. Anyways, we want you to sign it. And so you're not embarrassed. He has Pip on the grid today. I mean, look at all the guys who smoke. Buddy. Yeah, buddy. Thank you. That's what it's about. Absolutely. This is what Candy. That's Candy. Okay. She's absorbed in the BS we made up. Well, it's nice to meet you, Mark. I heard you always tags about that. This is your. This is my wife, Carrie Ann. Yeah.
Hi, nice to meet you.
They just tag us along, right? Yeah, it's good though. Well, she's getting cool, so it's good not talking. That's embarrassing. I'm moving my car to a different peg. It's embarrassing. I'm gonna go hang out with Eddie. All right, go hang out with Eddie. Hi, Candy. I'm Ron Rivera. That's one of Mark's cars I'm driving it today. And this is my wife, Carrie Ann. This is Mark.
Nice to meet you.
Mark,
yes, I met
Bahner. I keep saying Bahner. That's me. Bahner. Good German name, or?
Yeah. Most people say Bahner, but
her name's Hans.
Czech. It's actually Czech.
You say you're going to go see Eddie in Lawson? Yeah, he's here. Yeah. I met him a while ago. I hadn't seen him in a long time. Talk about going back. I was working, my mentor, Pete Wilkins, was Lotus's chief fabricator, then Graham's chief fabricator, original part of the wall. When Bernie got done driving, you need a water or drink, Greg? In his contract, 5 years. And then Bernie hired Bill Randy. That just got done being so I knew a few of the names from Bob. So when I worked with him, Pete's name company was Profab. I'm standing behind Scott Pruitt. And I didn't, he's a good guy. I'm like, God, I'm embarrassed. I should know his name. I thought he was somebody I knew personally. And I just recognized the shirt. He's really approachable. He seemed real nice. I told him that. I said, oh, I thought I should know you, but now I realize it's just me. And he started laughing. Well, I'm a new to all this. Been on it a year and a half with Bob and Vince, and they're still trying to train me. You know what?
Hold that for a second at them.
Springs on mine, raised rear or lower front.
where's your hat?
I'm not really sure. Where's your lawyer? I have a big straw hat.
I was Mustang with the Canadian series. You do what you have to do. Get this done to get to the race. We didn't care. Nothing meant anything. Say especially all the bullshit. Sometimes they stamp a B on it, sometimes they do. It's just like you can't do that. I know, I'm just out for the fun. I'm retired movie pilot. I thought I could do that. I thought I could do this. It's just a different thing. You know, Kevin Cogan's Mark. Oh, wow. Neatest guy. And I remember going out with him. Something you haven't done before. It is different. You know, you're playing in somebody else's ballgame. So just calm down. Yesterday I went out for the practice and I was like the third car out. I've never been on the track before. This is like my 10th race in the last 2 years. And so I'm like, I'm going to take it easy here and figure out what's going on. These guys are like blowing by, smoking tires. I'm like, what are you guys doing? This is practice, you know? They just don't get it. But, you know, it's and that's the way it is. I remember you go to Willow. Yeah. That's where I've run the gym. I'll get his name, but he was just fun. I mean, he didn't hurt the car. He came back in. Everything has to be warmed up. You got to be. Yeah, you get lost. I'm real thrilled. I think I'm down to 123.5. Not 117 like the pros or anything, but I've come down. I had a lap record at Willow, Formula B, when we had twin cams. 70. Oh, it was my BT 21. Oh, really? Yeah. Wow. So that's how much. That's it's gone, and they've changed the track a lot. That's just how much faster the cars go. You know, which is cool. I mean, that's a whole. I love this particular chassis. The aerodynamics, and it's so relevant to my experience. They're so stable. They do everything. Yeah, it's very predictable. I had a cheap car. What do you mean? Well, when I had Super V, I said, for the money, they're boys. I said, you got to and when they're running the Atlantics, the rocket ships. Yeah, no, look at exact thing. You know, when I look at the money that I get for compared to like a Formula Atlantic, it's just kind of mixed up. Doing that, like 3 to 4 times the money, 3 to 4 right in there. Well, you got to start, and now they're taking a big chunk. Yeah. So now they're like what, 60s or 70s. 80,000 is common, and you see them for more. Where are you at, Karen?
Can you stop this?
Yeah, that's fine. The good story I got is the Howdy Homes, whatever. Remember that one car that Howdy got? It's that one and the story that goes with that boys played, man. Oh, yeah. And see what's on the way. I got the tribute there. Oh, you're good. So you have a starting point. Okay, you got it. Okay, here's the deal. We had Howdy Homes was driving the car.
Should you record?
Sure.
Why not?
Wilbur
Make
was
some more
always
interesting.
extremely last. Sure, we can.
Especially if they use foul language, you can all laugh.
Well, sure, honey, I'll just download it after 20 hours late. Blasted to the track. So anyway, it's like Wilbur's actually pretty smart. So we made some aerodynamic wings under the side pads. Okay. And which is what March ended up doing. Right? They ended up doing it, but we did it for squares. We put fences on it, put skirts on it. And that's a pretty good idea. So anyway, while it's in my shop, the side pads, big thing is this Wilbur Bunce Racing. So we took a little knife, razor blade, cut the B and made it a D. So it's Wilbur Bunce Racing. Right. Well, that was a real tender spot. So he did. It's midnight or 1 in the morning. So I had Candy run the parts over. Right. So I'll take these over to Wilbur. Didn't say a word. Loaded in the car. Car's all done. Off it goes to Atlanta. And out Howdy's smoking. He's driving right around. All of a sudden, I hear that everybody's laughing, and Howdy is laughing, and I guess they discovered this Wilbur Bunce racing.
Yeah.
So Wilbur just went through the roof. He is explosive. And he calls me up and he's yelling and screaming. I said, calm down, Wilbur, it's all in fun. And he just remember one thing. Boys play, men die. Slams down the ball.
That was just one of Mark's funny stories, but now I'm going to jump to a second highlight of my weekend, and that's Bob Morris here putting RPM Motorsports on my car, on the nose of my car. I guess he's decided that I'm not too likely to embarrass him on the track, so it was a real cool thing to do, Bob. Thank you.
Wait, I'm forward.
Okay, here's Bob.
I saw you.
Here's Bob putting on our Robert's deserved earned new decals, RPM.
Yeah, I think so.
Trying to decide. Here we go.
No index, Bob?
No, I'm just gonna go bareback.
You're gonna wing it?
Go bareback. Yeah, it'll be good enough.
Woo!
Honey, we have to go down to the Navy's thing and see if we can get a couple fly Navy
Yeah.
stickers. I just remembered that. Oh, and just for other closeness, that guy Mike Fulmer made these decals for me. Oh, really? Yeah. Isn't that weird? Well, not these. Yeah. These are copies, but the original ones Mike Fulmer made for me. I'll be darned. Ooh, I like
Very
the black.
cool. I do
I
too.
like the black, Bob, on the yellow. That pops. That pops. Very cool.
So there it is, RPM Motorsports on my car, and I want to take an opportunity to say thanks to Vince and Sabina Precision Prep and RPM Motorsports both. This is our full three-car team here with Bud Perlman, myself, and Vince driving, and thanks to everybody. We really enjoy working with you guys.